Can we refresh this old chair and give it a second, well, a third life? Welcome to Crystal's Creations. I purchased this chair about 3 years ago at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. It's been sitting on my porch since then, holding various pots of flowers, and it's seen better days. I'm hopeful that we can give it a little refresh and perhaps keep it on the porch at least one more summer. At the time, I used my Cricut to place that welcome stencil on the chair back, but that needs to go as well. I started by getting it all cleaned up, including removing this weave or reed from the bottom. Tougher than it looks. Considering how old it is, you would think this stuff would come off easier, but it's fighting back. This is what it looked like with all of that material removed. I was going to use this Krylon Max in Hosta Leaf, that's the color, because I usually use this to paint my garden tool handles when they need a redo. But at the last minute, I've changed my mind. So that gets tossed. And instead, I'm going to use some of these finishing cloths that I have on hand and see how it works out. Just like a wipe, you open it up and the cloth already has the stain on it. And it's supposed to dry in an hour. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so far this is how it's going. I was able to rub the cloth right across that Cricut stencil that I did a couple years ago. And so far this is just one cloth and there's plenty of stain left on it. Okay, I've moved up on the back porch just to make it a little bit easier on my back and to check on my assistant. Okay, hopefully you can see, and I can see, this is me trying to get this very old stencil off. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, everybody. This is how it turned out, with all the stencil removed, completely stained on my front porch. I think it looks great. It'll definitely make it this summer. And the best thing is that it was completely free. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time.